Okay, so here we have the magnitude of the problem. Got to get underneath the floorboards and work my way right to the end, which is about another, it's only about another 3.5 feet going in that direction. But the gap here and under there is not massive. First time I tried it, I got a bit stuck. So I've put the wedges underneath already. Excuse the view of my rear end. Now I think the way to get in there is to start sort of sideways. I've got a light underneath so I can see what I'm doing. Right, so now I'm on the left side. I've got the light to hand there, so I'll reach that. Now a hammer to knock the wedges in. Now I've got a collection of wedges. These are the wedges. Quite nice little bits of wood cut nice and thin. I'll take a picture later on of what's down here. No rats at the moment. Now, right, I'm in. Get out again, I don't know. But I'm reaching across to the floorboard that's in that direction. I can't. And it seems that there is not actually a gap to put the wedges in. The floorboard is actually right against the row of bricks along here. I really need two hands, one to hold the wedge and the other to whack with the hammer. So I can't get a wedge in there. Not possible. So that's for the joist there and here. It does seem right, I got that wedge in. No, I'm going. So those two are okay. I don't know, I can't see behind me, so I'll try and come back out again. Move the light round so I can get the light out. Now, the hammer. I'll leave the wedges there because I'm going to come back and see the other side. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I'm out. Success in getting in and out. Now, let's have a look and see what's underneath there. You can see, I'll put the light. Now from looking from here, it looked to me as if the joists were not touching that brick. But the ones over there certainly are. I cannot get a wedge between the bricks and the floorboards. But I will move along to the left and see what's going on that side. If anybody doesn't like spiders and things, there's quite a good selection under here. Can't see them, but they can see the webs. Right around the corner there you can see There in the middle of the picture there's a little ventilation grill, which I don't think will let rats and squirrels through because it's quite tiny, but I have found chewed hazelnuts under here, so somehow squirrels do get in. There's a box of millions of wedges there. I have got enough to do the job 100 times over, but I may not actually need any of them. But what I will do in due course is to put joists between the concrete floor, or not joists, props between there and there, and that's when the wedges might come in handy. So, not for the claustrophobic, it actually is a little bit anxious under there. If you did get stuck, I should have brought my mobile phone down with me, I suppose, so that I could ring for help. Anyway, there we are, part 1.